how to resolve Apex Legends stuck on loading screen. So if you want to resolve Apex Legends stuck on loading screen, then what you need to do is first thing we need to do is come over to our file explorer and head over to the C drive. Inside of the program, you need to go with program files x86 and then scroll down all the way down to the Steam folder and then go with Steam apps. Under Steam apps, you will have the common option. You need to just go with the common folder and then go with Apex Legends, and you'll find the option of R5 Apex.exe. And you're going to right click on this. You'll find the properties option. Inside the properties, you need to go with the compatibility section, and under compatibility, make sure that these two options are turned on. And then you can press on apply and then OK and save those changes. You can then try launching the application from here to see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, you need to move on to the next step. The next step we're going to do is come over to the start menu and then check our firewall settings. You need to type in for the Windows Defender Firewall, and then you need to just go with allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it, and once you click on it, you'll have allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. So here you need to just go with change settings, which is on the right side, and then just scroll down. And you'll find an option of Apex Legends. You need to make sure that the private and public options are ticked. If you don't have Apex Legends within this list, for instance, then you just need simply go with allow another app, which will be on the bottom. And inside of browse, we can locate the Apex Legends application inside the C drive, and then go with the program files, 86, back to the stream folder, and then inside the Steam apps, go with common, and then Apex Legends, and then just double click the R5 Apex in order to add. Then once again, make sure that the private and public are ticked. After that, press on OK, save those changes. Next thing we can do is come over to your start menu and then search for settings. From the settings, you need to tap on the Windows update, which will be on the bottom left. Then press check for updates, just to ensure that you're running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with our gates. Once you install the latest update, you can close the window and you can head over to your Steam application. And from there, you need to go with library, which will be on the top left, and then go with the Apex Legends. Once you're on your Apex Legends, you need to right click on it and then go with properties. Under properties, you will have the installed files right here. Click on installed files and then go with verify integrity of game files. What this will do is just going to check your files to ensure nothing's missing or damaged. Now you need to just wait for this to complete to 100%, and then once again you can check if it solves the issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.